The one thing we love in Central Florida
3, 2, engine start, 1,
is seeing a rocket
and liftoff.
blast to the heavens right from our Space Coast. We'll get ready for the love affair.
We're very excited to be flying astronauts from American soil again.
To reach new heights when those launches will once again carry NASA astronauts. Dane Drefke of United Launch Alliance says ULA is ready to write the next chapter in space history's success.
That's the mobile launch platform.
Drefke is the mechanical operations lead engineer for the Atlas V program. Atlas V is the rocket which will launch Boeing's CTS-100 Starliner to the International Space Station.
Atlas V is a very proven vehicle. It's flown 74 times with 100% success. The Atlas vehicle is what originally flew John Glenn.
He gave us a look at where history will blast off. Drefke says crew safety is a priority, and several upgrades have been made to Space Launch Complex 41, with that safety top of mind. Starting with the crew access tower. It's the big elevator about 200 feet tall the astronauts will use to enter the vehicle.
That was constructed solely for the astronauts. That's to put them into the capsule just before liftoff. There's an emergency escape system on that tower where we could safely get them off the pad.
When ULA launches a crew to the ISS, not only will it be launching into history, it will also be launching from an historic site.
There's been a lot of really cool missions, really important missions that have flown from this pad. The Voyager missions took off from right here behind me.
2, 1, we have ignition.
Both Voyagers 1 and 2 launched in 1977, and the program is still sending back data from outside our solar system, the farthest any man-made object has traveled. And while it's good to look back and build on those past missions, Drefke says what's most important is the here and now.
One thing I've said in the past, and it's very true, rockets are very unforgiving. You get one chance to get it right. Once you turn it on, you can't turn it off.